Start para. The main issue that arises in this case is whether the High Court was justified in passing a drastic order in the exercise of writ jurisdiction under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, permitting the first and second respondents to construct a compound wall under police protection. Full stop. The order passed by a division bench of the High Court on 16th March 2022 is in terms of the minutes of order tendered to the court by the advocates representing the parties duly signed by them. Full stop. The practice of passing orders based on minutes of order submitted by the advocates representing the parties prevails perhaps only in the High Court of Judicature at Bombay. Full stop. The present appellants applied for a review of the order dated 16th March 2022, which has been rejected by the impugned order dated 20th July 2023. Full stop. Even the order dated 16th March 2022 is under challenge in this appeal. Full stop para. A few factual aspects will have to be noted. Full stop. Arbitration petitions were filed under Section 9 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act, 1966, before a single judge of the Bombay High Court. Full stop. One petition was filed by the first respondent against one Urvaksh Naval and others filed the other petition. Full stop. Consent terms were filed in the arbitration petition preferred by the first respondent. Full stop. It appears that during the pendency of the proceeding of the arbitration petition, he was arrested by police based on a first information report. Full stop. In terms of the consent terms dated 28th April 2018, the learned single judge passed an order dated 13th April 2018. Full stop. Further, order dated 10th May 2018 passed by the learned single judge records that the process of handing over possession of the suit property by the respondents to the first respondent has commenced. Full stop. The dispute in arbitration petitions related to the lands of Parsi Dairy Farm. Full stop. Para. The seventh respondent in arbitration number 451 of 2018 filed an interim application in the disposed of arbitration petitions more than 2 years after filing consent terms. Full stop. It records that the High Court had directed the police to give police protection to the parties for completing the process of handing over possession. Full stop. A compound wall was to be constructed in terms of the consent terms. Full stop. The occasion for filing the application arose as, according to the seventh respondent in the arbitration petition, local persons obstructed the work of the construction of the compound wall. Full stop. The learned single judge of the Bombay High Court disposed of the interim application by his order dated 12th February 2021. Full stop. Para. It must be noted here that the persons who had admittedly obstructed the construction of the wall were not parties to the proceedings of either the arbitration petition or the interim application. Full stop. It appears that an application was filed to the Deputy Superintendent of Land Records at Talasari by the first respondent and 5 others for measuring the land's subject matter of the arbitration petition situated at Talasari, Palghar. The Deputy Superintendent of Land Records, in his letter dated 21st November 2021, informed the first respondent that several persons named in the letter had objected to carrying out a survey. Full stop. The letter records that as objections in writing have been submitted, conducting the hearing and holding an inquiry was necessary, full stop. We may note that in the letter, the names of some of the appellants are mentioned in the list of persons who objected to the survey. Stop.